Good afternoon students, I am Deepika Jala from Department of Mathematics, Star University, Ahmedabad. Now today our topic is determinant and matrices. So now let's start with the determinant. Here determinant is generally the arrangement of the element. Here you can see that this one is the determinant of order 2 by 2. Why it is 2 by 2? Because here there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Determinant are always in a square form. That means number of rows and number of columns are equal. Here it is, here A, B, C, D are called the elements of the determinant, and the expansion or the value of the determinant is cross multiply these two elements. That means A into D minus B into C. Here you can see the image of this expansion. Here multiply these two elements A into D minus B into C. This is called the expansion or the value of the determinant. Here A and B are the first row of the elements and C and D are the second row of the determinant. Similar way, A and C are the first column of the determinant and B and D are the second column of the determinant. Here there are two diagonals. First one is the main diagonal and second one is the minor diagonal. Here you can say that main diagonal is nothing but the principal of diagonal and this one is the minor diagonal. So A and D, AD are the, A and D is called the principal diagonal of the determinant. Similar way, B and C are the minor diagonal of the determinant. Now determinant of order 3. Here you can say that we have determinant of order 3. That means there are 3 rows and 3 columns. In first row the elements are A, B and C. Second row elements are D, E, F, and third row elements are G, H and I. Same way, this one is the first column. Elements are A, D, G. Second column elements are B, E, H, and third column elements are C, F and I. The expansion of 3 by 3 determinants are, here you can say that first we take the first element. That means see here this one is known as the order, or you can say that the place of this element is first. That means you can say that this one is the A11. One denote the row number and second one denote the column number. So A11, the value of A11 is nothing but the 1. Here this element is in first row and second column. This element is in first row and third column. Similar way, this element in second row and first column. This element in second row, second column, and this element is in second row and third column. Okay, same way this element, that means G is on third row and first column. H is in third row, second column, and I is in third row, third column. So if we want to find out the value of determinant, the numeric symbols, that means the arithmetic symbols of these elements are, here first element always in plus sign, second element always in minus, third element is always in plus sign. Similar, this one is in second row and first column. So second 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. That means all those elements which are in the odd place, the symbol is always plus, and those elements which are in the even place, the sign is always minus. See here, this one is first row, first column. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So symbol of this element is plus. Yes, you can see that first row, second column. So 2 plus 1 symbol is minus. Here this one is in first row, third column. So 1 plus 3, 4. Even number means sign is plus. Same way, this one is second row, first column. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is odd number, so symbol is minus. Similar way, remember once again, the element which in place, if the place is in odd number, the symbol is minus, and if the place is in even number, the symbol is always plus. So see here, if we want to find out the expansion of this 3 by 3 determinant, we take the first element of first row and first column. here these expansions are we take in row wise. Similarly you can say that you can take the expansion column wise, but here we take the expansion row wise. So here we take the first element of first row. Now delete this row and this column. That means if we want to find out the value of this element, we delete this row and this column. So rest of values of determinant are E, F, H, I. You can see here E, F, H, I. Now see here, let's take the second element B. Now B is in first row second column. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 is odd number. So the numeric symbol of this element is minus. So now minus B. Now same way delete this column and this row. We get, see here, delete this column and this row. The rest of determinant is D, F, G, I. Now third element is C. Now C is in first row third column. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is even number, that's why mathematical symbol is plus. So plus C. Now delete this value of column and this value of row. So rest of values are, you can see here, we delete this column and this row. So values of determinant are D, E, F and H. So this one is A, multiply by E, F, H, I here, minus B, multiply by D, F, G, I here, plus C, multiply by determinant of D, E, G and H here. Now you know very well how to solve this 2 by 2 determinant. Cross multiply these two elements minus cross multiply these two elements. So put A here as it is, E into I minus F into H minus B into cross multiply these two elements, D into I minus F into G plus C into cross multiply these two elements, D into H minus E into G. So this one is the value of determinant of order 3 by 3. That means 3 rows and 3 columns. Now let's take example based on determinant of 3 by 3. Now let's take, we want to find out the value of this determinant. 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 4, minus 2, minus 8, 6 and 5. Here the order of this determinant is 3 by 3 because there are 3 rows and 3 columns. So as earlier, first take the element of first row first column. So let's take this one is 1. Now delete the element of this, that means similar column. That means delete the element 5 minus 8 and similar row, that means 2 and 3. So cancel out these two elements and these two elements. So rest of determinant is 4, 2, 6 and 5. See here, 1 multiply by determinant of 4, 2, 6 and 5. Now second element, here second element is 2. 2 is in first row second column. So first plus 2, that means 3. 3 is odd number. So symbol of this element is minus 2. Now cancel the element of same column and same row. That means cancel 4, 6, 1 and minus 3. So rest of element of determinant is 5, 2, minus 8 and 5. You can see here plus. Why we put plus? Because third element is minus 3 and 3 is in first row third column. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 is even number. That's why the symbol, mathematical symbol of this element is plus. So plus of minus 3, similar way cancel out the rest of elements of similar column and similar row. That means cancel out 2, 5 and 1 and 2. So determinant of elements 5, 4, minus 8 and 6 here. Now solve these 3 determinants. So put 1 as it is here, cross multiply these two elements, that means 4 into 5 minus 6 into 2 minus 2 as it is Cross multiply these two elements. 5 into 5 minus 2 into minus 8 plus minus. Always remember one thing, plus minus. If we add plus and minus symbol, result is always in minus. So plus minus is minus, minus 3 as it is. 5 into 6 minus 4 into minus 8. Okay, so 5 into 4 20 minus 6 into 2 12 minus 2 as it is. 5 into 5 25. Now minus minus become plus, so here the symbol is plus. 8 into 2 is 16 minus 5 into 6 is 30 and 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2 is minus 8, but minus minus become plus, so here we put plus 8. So 1 into 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 is 8 minus 25 plus 16. 25 plus 16 is nothing but the 41 minus 30 plus 8. 30 plus 8 is 38. So 1 into 8 is 8. 41 into 2 is equal to minus 82 minus 38 into 3 is 114. So 8 minus 82 plus 114, the answer is nothing but the minus 118. That means the value of this 3 by 3 determinant is, or you can say that the expansion of this 3 by 3 determinant is minus 188. Thank you.